Now, it's no secret that the crypto market has been exploding recently, and that's why I'm going to be giving you guys the top 3 cryptos to buy now in March 2024. Let's get into it. So if you guys are not aware of who I am, my name is Zach from Finance Bro. Now, I used to make a ton of content on Shiba Inu in particular, and then also the crypto markets. If you look at our most popular videos, it's going to be Shiba Inu. Then also, I have a partner. His name is Kyle. We also made a bunch of videos on different best cryptos to buy now. So I'm kind of like a pro in this space. I just haven't been making videos recently, obviously, because there's just not much to make it on. People weren't watching crypto videos, so we pretty much just held our coins and then went on our way. Now I'm going to be talking about 3 coins today that we are holding, Kyle and I, that are going to be at the top of our list. And if you are a new to the crypto scene, these are going to be 3 that need to be staples of your portfolio. 2 of them more important than the other. I will give away. You might see on the screen what one of them are. However, just saying this right now, if you don't have these 3 cryptos in your portfolio, you're doing something wrong in 2024. But before we get into that, I do want to mention, you guys can go ahead and join our Discord. We trade stock options in there, and we might get into some crypto trading depending on if you guys want it or not. But you can go ahead and join that with the first link in our description. And then also with the second link in our description, you can go ahead and get a bonus with WEBULL. Basically how it works is you get 23 free fractional shares valued between $3 and $3,000 when you deposit $500 or more. So basically, if you start any real portfolio, you're going to get $60 worth of free stocks. So it's pretty good. Go ahead and deposit with the second link in our bio. But other than that, let's get into the video. So here we are on the total crypto market. So the total global crypto market is sitting at 2.59 trillion. Obviously, we've seen a massive surge in the past month or so, especially the past 7 days for Bitcoin, doing pretty solid just in terms of its direction. The volume sitting very well across the board. We're kind of holding, even though we are in kind of an extreme greed kind of sector of the market right now. Now we are down 6% over the last day. So that's why I kind of wanted to make this video today specifically, is because today is going to be a day where you can get some good prices so that you're not buying just at that extreme top. Now, I'm personally massively bullish for Bitcoin to hit 100K by the summer. Ethereum definitely over 5K by the summer. Just depends on where that goes as well. But without further ado, let's get into our cryptos for the day. The first one is going to be Ethereum. So you can see on the chart here that Ethereum is currently down 7% on the day. So this is presenting a very good buying opportunity. If we take a look at the chart, yes, we are on our way down. And if we can grab anything basically in the 3,500 to 3,700 range, that's going to be where a lot of traders are loading up at the moment. You can see the volume start to tick up here. That is a lot of selling pressure at the moment, but we're going to settle down around the 3,500 to 3,700 level, and then we're going to make our next rise up. As we all know, crypto is an up and down game. However, when we get opportunities to buy in these levels, we need to load up so that we can be, reaping the reward when we get to 5,000 or 6,000 by the summer. So Ethereum going to be a staple, obviously one of the biggest cryptos, better than Bitcoin considering it has a lower market cap, and the volume is on an uptick. Even though it's selling pressure right now, it will turn into buying pressure in the next week to 2 weeks. So we just need to go ahead and load up in that little zone I talked about and go from there. But here we can see just this is a prediction. When will ETH break the 20K barrier? So Ethereum's potential growth is unprecedented, aiming to surpass 11,000 in the near term. Could reach 14,000 by December 2024 and 20,000 by 2025. So that's where they think it's going to stabilize at. Now, this is not my prediction. Personally, I think 5,000 by summer is a very good goal and target to hit, and I think we can do that. We could do that literally in the next month. It just depends on where traders are at and their confidence in crypto. Obviously, crypto has been surging recently. However, sometimes traders get a little bit scared before we have that next jump up. However, Ethereum is something we need to be loading up at these levels. Next up, we have Solana. So Solana is currently trading extremely well. You can see even over the past 7 days when the rest of the crypto market's kind of just stable, Solana has gone from $146 all the way up to at one point $180. Now we're kind of stabilizing right here, seeing a bit of a bull flag break out. If we could break out above $183, we're just going to continue to rise. You can see over the last month went from $100 to $177. Over the past year. At one point we were down in the $16 level, maybe even lower, probably like 13, 14 bucks. Now we're at 176. However, we have a massive jump until we reach our previous resistance over here at the 230. So we have a good amount to go here. So even though we're not really seeing a loading phase like we are with Ethereum, it's a different scenario because the volume is up and the price is also going up. And here's an article I wanted you guys to take a look at. Solana echoes mid-2021 surge, eyes key resistance level. Now, I was making a ton of videos in 2021 about Solana because it had a meteoric rise. It was absolutely absurd how it went, and we are seeing the same type of price action right now. And I very much doubt that we're going to stop at the levels we were at before. So Solana obviously reached a peak of 174. They see the next potential test at $208 mark. So that's another 15 to 20% from the levels that we're at right now. So still a ton of upside, especially just for trading over the next couple of weeks to months. And that's kind of what they see here. It draws parallels to the 2020 run, boasting 111% growth since its recent uptrend, with a significant 53% increase from a rising triangle pattern. So yeah, that's kind of what we're seeing with Solana. And our final crypto that we're going to be looking at is going to be Shiba Inu. Now this is something up 164% over the past year. Past 7 days down 10%, but past month up 204%. Now this is something we've talked about a lot on the channel, and meme coins just have been going absolutely crazy recently. When the overall market with Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, all those do extremely well, meme coins do even better. And there was just a ton of buying pressure from traders for Shiba Inu coin, and I can go into detail about Shiba Inu coin on a different video separately, only Shiba Inu if you guys want, but you're just gonna have to let me know in the comment section below. But we're actually seeing here a bit of a possible snag that we might hit, and that's that we have a bit of a support here at the 2967 level, and as you can see we're at 2988. If we break below the 28 level, we could possibly see a pretty significant drop all the way to the 21 to 22 level. So at this point, I'm actually not saying buy technically. I think we're gonna see this drop, and I think you should be loading up around the 22 to 24 level. So that's what I would personally do. So yes, technically buy this. However, and by the way, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, but I will be loading up from 22 to 24, those levels, rather than these levels, because we might see a significant drop over the next week before we make our next push up. And we'll be able to make a ton more because we'll easily be able to get back to that 42, 45 level that we were at, and that's an easy 100% gain. So that's what I'd be looking at personally. But other than that, that's pretty much going to be all that I have for you guys today. Make sure that you guys join our Discord for our stock options trading, and then also possible crypto trading if you guys are interested. And then go ahead and get a bonus with WEBULL up to $60, or sorry, a minimum of $60 up to over $1,000 when you deposit $500 or more. But that's pretty much going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. Peace.